Hey everybody, Justin here at Christie's to talk to you about our Magic Boss RV cleaning kit. So with this kit, you're going to get your water conductor wash pole. This will allow you to connect a hose right to it to have water come through. You're also going to get a soft bristled brush end to clean the sides of your RV. You're going to get a rubber seal conditioner to spray on the rubber seals of your slide outs to keep them nice and conditioned and working properly. You're going to get a citrus awning cleaner to help clean the awning canvas from your trailer. A black streak remover which will help wash the sides with those black streaks that you'll see coming down them from time to time, as well as our roof cleaning package, which includes your rubber roof treatment, has a nice UV barrier to help keep the life of your rubber roof going, as well as the RV roof cleaner, which you'll want to use before the treatment just to help clean everything up before you apply your treatment. You're also going to get a nice wash and wax for the side of your trailer just to keep it nice, clean and shiny. And that's everything you get in the RV Boss cleaning kit, available for single purchase or in the inclusion of your RV deal.